Okay, so I've got some pickled cucumbers here. This is the product of spontaneous fermentation, lactic acid fermentation, by bacteria called lactic acid bacteria. They're very easy to make, and I just wanted to share my favorite recipe for a salad that uses pickled cucumbers. So the funny fact about this salad is that Russians call it Olivier, which sounds French, Olivier, whereas French call it Russian salad. So here are the ingredients that you would need. You would need a can of peas. Look for ones without mint. We don't want any minty flavor there. Your pickled cucumbers, some mayo, salt, onion, eggs, potatoes, and lean beef. Potatoes, carrots, and eggs get boiled. You can stick them into the same pan. Do not peel potatoes or carrots until they are cooked. Peel them once they have been boiled. They will retain more flavor this way. Chop up onion as fine as you can and fry it until the color turns golden. Chop up pickled cucumbers, finely slice eggs, peel and chop into small pieces your carrots and potatoes. And now let's mix it all together. In goes a can of peas, chopped potatoes, chopped cucumbers, chopped carrots that have been boiled, sliced egg, fried onions, cooked lean beef. Add a little bit of mayo, a bit of salt, and mix it all together. This Olivier salad is delicious. We prepare it usually for special occasions, and it can be stored in the fridge for 2 to 3 days. I suggest you try this recipe that uses pickled cucumbers, the product of bacterial fermentation.